go-to realtor and advisor, and you are invited to my official walkthrough property, to my brand new listing located on 1111 Cedarwood Loop in San Ramon, California. This community was actually built back in 2005-2006. The property itself was constructed in 2006. The owner just bought it when it was in its official finishing touches. This community is a townhouse community, and actually what makes it very coveted and sought after is that the community is at the Wisteria by the Gale Ranch Neighborhood in San Ramon, California. And Gale Ranch is one of the most coveted communities around here because it's amazing weather all year round, the high safety, best and highest graded schools with less than a mile away, great shopping centers. There is just one very popular. It's called the Plaza, and it's about 0.3 miles away from here, with restaurants and gas station, as well as the Bishop Ranch, which is one of the most popular one in the San Ramon neighborhood, and it's got a lot of stores, restaurants, and a Whole Foods market. So this property here, it's a townhouse, but it does have a cozy and feel of a single family due to it being connected solely by a wall from the garage to the next unit. So it does give you this more warm and a feel of a single family property. So right here is the main entrance. As you can see, the door is facing the east part of the sun, and it's considered a very lucky home according to the owner, according to the seller of the property. On the other side, there is the driveway that just connected right behind the structure, and that's where you have the entrance into the garage. And it's a very spacious two-car garage. So coming in, follow me. This property currently listed for $1.269 million, and it boasts three full bedrooms, 2.5 baths, with a very nice and spacious loft and two-car garage. So follow me. So this home was built in 2006, as I said, and this model was actually upgraded. So back when the owner bought it, these were all upgraded solid stone countertops and high quality hardwood cabinets. We had a reglazing and upgrade of the parking, and the garage, the flooring was all epoxy high glossing flooring. We also had a flooring upgrades. It's a vinyl high quality waterproof flooring all throughout the staircase and the upstairs. Fresh paint all throughout the property, and were all kinds of repairs made. We also have an LED lights installed in the living room, in the kitchen, and on the upstairs, as well as the reglazing of the master bedroom, bathrooms, cabinets, countertops. Are included, all upgraded about 3 years ago. We have the dishwasher, the stove, the microwave, and the refrigerator.
Ramon is a city in Contra Costa County, California, and it's located 34 miles east of San Francisco. San Ramon is a home to the major headquarters of Chevron Corporation, Cooper Companies, 24 Hour Fitness, West Coast headquarters, AT&T, GE Digital, and many more. What makes San Ramon so desirable place to live in? First is the weather, Mediterranean and very warm. There are top-rated schools that many people are looking to relocate to. Gorgeous scenery of beautiful landscaping, hiking trails, and mature trees. And it's one of the safest areas to live in San Francisco Bay Area. The location is also very central and it's close to so many major cities such as San Francisco, San Jose, Oakland, and many more.
So what makes San Ramon is very desirable is, of course, the weather is gorgeous all year round. It's very safe area, top rated schools, beautiful scenery. There are about 3 major golf courses all around San Ramon and 54 all around within 20 miles radius from San Ramon. So right now with the real estate market, of course, real estate here is very desirable and properties are selling all the time, over asking as much as $300,000 or even $500,000 over. So with the current market, as far as April of 2022, there are currently active 42 properties starting from $449,000 and go all the way up to $3.5 million. With regards to pending, there are 0 days on the market and it can go up to 81 days on the market. With solds, like I said, properties are selling all the time, and in the past 12 months there were 1,207 properties that were sold within 7 days on the market. Of course, with coming soon also, when people come and look at the property, they want to bid on it and make an offer right away just because it's so close to the best schools, the weather, the location, the safety, and it's just so amazing over here. So if you're looking to relocate or buy in San Ramon area or surroundings, hit me up and I'm going to show you around all the best neighborhoods, the schools, and up to every budget. There are also a couple of new construction companies, so if you're looking to buy brand new construction, I'll show you and we can bid on it while it's being constructed. Welcome to the Preserve at the Hillcrest community, and this is the new construction community situated in San Ramon, California. This is a 3-story townhome with a single family home feel, currently selling between 1.3 million to 1.610 million, and it's starting with 3 bedrooms and 3 baths with 1804 square foot. There are a lot of upgrades that you can upgrade all throughout the property. Of course, it's made with the highest quality materials, starting from flooring, the kitchen, smart technology, appliances, the roof, and starting with the new constructions, all the roof has to have a solar panels on them in California. Right here is just starting to build. As you can see, the brand new ones that's already constructed and ready to sell. There is a waiting list on them, so of course they're selling super quick.